Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make working landing gear in SFS. First, gather your essential components: structural parts, wheels, and a control mechanism. Begin by attaching your wheels securely to the structural pieces, ensuring they are firmly connected and can support your craft's weight. Proper alignment is absolutely crucial for stability, so take your time to position everything symmetrically. This foundational step sets up your craft for successful takeoffs and smooth landings. For advanced designs, incorporate hinges and pistons to create retractable landing gear. This allows for a more aerodynamic profile during flight. Strategically place your gear to ensure optimal weight distribution, preventing nose-heavy or tail-heavy issues. After assembly, rigorously test the retraction and extension cycles multiple times to confirm smooth operation and prevent any in-flight malfunctions. Now, it's time for fine-tuning. Adjust your suspension settings to absorb impact effectively, ensuring smooth landings even on uneven terrain. Conduct multiple test flights, observing how your gear performs under different conditions and identifying any potential weaknesses. It's vital to ensure the gear can withstand various landing speeds and angles without collapsing or breaking. If you encounter issues like gear collapse or instability, revisit your structural integrity and attachment points. Reinforce weak areas and consider adding more support. Optimize your gear for different craft sizes and weights, adjusting the number of wheels or suspension strength as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This will help you refine your design for ultimate reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.